Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I feel like I've kind of been doing a tour of olive oils lately. And what tour is complete without going to Italy by means of this Papa Vince extra virgin olive oil? It has really appealing layered complexity and fruitiness, and it adds this really addictive, unctuous taste to everything that I put it on. Something that I find really interesting about this olive oil, and that I think attests to its high quality, is the fact that it can list vitamins on its nutrition label. I was somewhat surprised to find out that not all olive oils are able to do this, because during the processing of other brands of olive oil, most, if not all, of the vitamin content is lost. I feel really good about eating this Papa Vince olive oil for that reason. I like to use this olive oil raw and unheated as much as possible. It was incredible and added a lot to everything that I used it with, and I used it to make Italian pesto. Now, I'm really sorry to all you traditional Italian nonnas out there, but I do not use a mortar and pestle. I use my food processor. But using this Sicilian olive oil has to redeem me a little bit, right? Either way, this olive oil made for an incredibly delicious pesto. I think it is safe to say that my olive oil journey would not have been complete if I did not get a chance to try this absolutely delightful Papa Vince olive oil. And that's my point of view.